Hello guys, I go by the name Amokonest, the founder of Irida the Guitars and Crowdhouse Ghana. And today I'm going to talk about this platform. If you need a script, okay, PHP, WordPress, plugin, whatever you need, you can come to this platform. Okay, yes, a lot of people have been reaching out to me on WhatsApp and DM. WhatsApp, trying to get a plugin that is school management system. I've already made video on that, and for some reason I decide I posted the plugin, but I deleted it, and now I have published it again. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about only that one. So let me open here. This is my official YouTube. Just come to youtube.com/@iriditv. Okay, now this is the video that I'm talking about. Let me show you the video. Okay, good. This one. Okay, this one. So we have part 1 intro, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Okay, it's about how to create, and I think I have this plugin. I made the complete video on how to use this plugin. You can get it on my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm not going to make a video on how to use it because I have already covered that part, and this is the video, so you can come to my channel and watch it. Okay, yes, it's amazing. Okay, right, yes, I've been in fact I'm going to post a lot of stuffs on that platform. Okay, so if you need a plugin, a PHP, this is point of sale. And let me show you this plugin. This is multi-store system. Okay, so first I have already installed this plugin. That is, let's go to pos.irida.com. This is just a demo to show you how it looks like. Okay, point of sale, this multi-store, and you can use this one for any business. Okay, any business at all. Okay, so when you come here, let me enter my password. That is username or my login details. Okay, so I'm going to log in from here, and let's see. So this is my dashboard. It has some kind of dark and light mode. I can just click that to change it. To see, it's looking, I prefer the dark mode. And this multi-store, you can add, let me go to users, you can add super admin, you can store manager, cashier. Okay, you can create multi-store. Okay, so as you can see, we have store here, and I can add more store, unlimited. You can add more store. As you can see, I've already added 2. Okay, good. So you can get it from this platform. Okay, that is shop.irida.com, and then this plugin to this, an amazing WordPress plugin. Okay, I've already made, you can just watch that video. Okay, I will put the video below, the link to that video below this video. Okay, so if you need a plugin right now, what is ready right now is the POS system, that is point of sale, multi-store system, and school management system. This one is purposely for SBA stuffs. Okay, yes, but it's very unique. You can watch the intro video and the other video, you'll be able to get more information about that. And there's another one on the way coming, so don't worry, I'll be posting a lot of things here, and the price is not that expensive. Okay, and how to activate, how to install. In fact, if you want us to help you to install it, we will also help you with that. Okay, so you can come here. If you want us to install it for you, it's free of charge. Okay, we are not going to charge you for that. So thank you. So far so good. So thank you for watching, and I'll be posting more videos. I'm ready for you. I've been gone for too long, right? So I'm back again. Thank you. Bye bye.